Come here, Kylie. Come here, Alyssa. Bring your gift here. Bring it here. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Quiet out. They are expecting us. Do not try that at home, kids. Do not try that at home.
Yeah, open the gifts. Girl, let's get your gifts. Sit down.
Come here. Yeah, come on. Come here. Let's clean your hands up a little bit.
Say hi, Lulu. Say hi. Hi.
You guys,
You
come
can't
here.
have the camera.
Kylie, come here. You want to open it? Here. I'll start it for you. Tear it open. Alyssa, go get yours. Yours right there. Go grab it. Go get it. Tear it. Come here, Alyssa. Come here and open it with Sissy and Daddy. Yeah, come here. Tear it open. There you go. Kylie, look.
Here's how we're gonna get you back. This is simple. Why, I know. You know.
You want to tear it? There you go. Start tearing.
Oops.
Oh.
I'm gonna let you slide.
Here. Start tearing, Alyssa. What is that, Kylie? What is
What'd you
that?
get, baby? Did you get PJ pants?
What'd you
Move your
get?
arm just a bit, baby. I can't.
What'd you get, Lulu?
You guys got new PJs.
Yay, PJ!
Christmas PJs.
Oh.
Christmas PJs.
You just want to keep ripping. Alright, come on, Alyssa. Let's get changed into them. Oh man, did you get that on video where Columbus was climbing?
I don't know. I can watch the video again. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.